But
you don't charge people for...
No, I didn't charge them for the makeup. I just collected it.
Now, you don't charge to do hair reviews?
No, why not? How would I charge?
I almost died.
I charge.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good and hope you are doing great today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just want to show you guys the hair I'll be wearing in this video. This hair was actually shipped through FedEx and I love the packaging. It came in this pink box. So pink is my favorite color. Like, I really love pink and purple. So I'm loving this packaging, and this hair is from Ishow hair. This is their body wave hair, 20 inches frontal, 3 bundles of 26 body wave hair. Oh, I just learned this one. The texture of this hair is really nice, doesn't shade at all. We'll leave all the details of this hair in the description box. This is me laying and installing this wig. So I turned the hair into a wig. So yeah, this is the wig after customization, and I'm loving this hairstyle, and it was actually inspired by Z-Word. After watching my ex-sister-in-law, she styled her hair into this particular hairstyle and I loved it, so I just thought about it and I said I'll have to recreate this. So yeah, here it is. But if you do want a detailed tutorial on how to customize this hairstyle, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So installing this hair actually took me, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes because the hair was already customized. So this is the outcome after installation. Hope you guys like it because this is my favorite style right now. And I love this hair. Can you guys just tell how beautiful this hair is? Hi, good morning to everyone. And today I'm going to meet one of the YouTubers. We're going to film together, you know, do one or two things together. So I've been planning this for like 3 months right now, and yeah, hopefully, put my fingers crossed, I pray it goes well. Guess what, we don't even know the topic we're going to film about, but we'll just do it. We'll just film together and just, you know, rant or do something, I don't know. So I'm actually waiting for the taxify right now to just come and pick me up from my house, then go there to meet her. So yeah. Hi guys, if you don't already know, I'm Okeke Jennifer, and we have a guest here, and her name is...
I'm Nelo Okeke. We actually share the same name.
Okay, we're here to do like the vlogging tag, right? Or YouTube tag.
Something like that. I can't even remember exactly what it's called.
So we're going to be asking ourselves some questions and answering them together, right?
Yeah, I guess you answer, then I'll answer.
No, you answer. I'll ask you, answer.
Then you answer. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Nelo Okeke. That's the name of my channel. Nelo.
Okay, and mine is Beauty Hall JJ.
Probably write it on the screen. Just...
I'll write it on the screen.
Okay.
Anyways, I forgot to tell you guys that Nelo in person, she's just beautiful. She's like, and then she's calm.
This is what
she's calm. You look calm, but on camera.
I'm not calm. We're just literally meeting for the first time. Even though we chat all the time and we've been YouTube friends, kind of, but we've never met in person.
And Instagram friends.
And Instagram friends. We've never met in person until today. Okay, this story is funny. See, I've always had a YouTube channel ages ago, like maybe 7 years ago or something, and I put up maybe 4 videos in total and I stopped. Then it was just fun till 2 years ago when I was trying to learn how to tie gele, and I could not find any proper gele tutorial that actually taught. Most of them will just start, they will do pleats, before you know, they forward it and they're finished. And I'm just like, what's all this? I was so pissed off. So I went and learned how to tie gele. Then I made a YouTube video on how to tie gele. So that video was really my first step into being a YouTuber, like a proper YouTuber. Because that video got so much love, and I mean, it has millions of views. And yeah, I just continued. At first I was doing makeup and gele, and slowly and steadily I just switched to other things. Yeah, that was how I started.
Okay, we have almost same starting point because I started with gele too.
Really? Yeah, I think then.
I started with hair tie and gele. I think I was in school then, and then I came back. I was looking for something. Okay, I watched, there's a makeup artist I watched on how to, because then I didn't like makeup. So I was like, yes, I didn't like makeup then. So I didn't like makeup then. So I said, let me just learn how to like do my brows myself. I watched her, and then I just told myself that, Jennifer, you can do this too. Just go and get a camera. And that was how I started. But I started with Ishow.
But now you're all about hair.
Because I opened a salon, so I had to like switch.
How long have you had your salon?
This is the second or third year now.
Nice. I'm not. I'm not. I'm a lot of things. I mean, I'm a mom. I'm a full-time mom. That one I cannot escape. And I do YouTube. YouTube is one of my many jobs, but I take it so seriously. To me, I'm actually, okay, I'm a full-time YouTuber, at the same time I'm a full-time mom, and a full-time entrepreneur, and a full-time, a lot of other things, basically. Let me just put it that way, because YouTube is not a joke to me. I do it very, very seriously. So I just have a lot of full-time jobs that I can do at my own time. If that explains it.
I'm partially into YouTube and hairstyling, yes. So I want two things at the same time.
But this is tricky. What? It's not tricky, just I don't even think there's anything. The thing is, just be yourself on YouTube. In the sense that when I started, it's not like I wasn't myself, but I was shy. I was more shy then. But I'm a talkative in real life. I love to talk, okay? So, but at first, I didn't show that part of me at first. But I realized that once I actually started showing the real side of me, I started growing even more than I was. That's just the only thing, really.
Mine is consistency. I think last year I just started being consistent.
And you really grew.
And uploading videos, sometimes I upload 3 times in a week, sometimes 2 times, twice in a week.
I can't even keep up with that.
So I think it's consistency.
NEPA,
1.
lights, number 1.
2, data.
2, my dear, data is just expensive, and after you pay all that money, most times it's still slow and annoying. 3, understanding, like I'm, as a vlogger, I carry my camera to a lot of places where people, we don't allow camera here. It's always just like tiring. Please, I'm even trying to help your business in a way, and they don't get it. Nigerians don't get YouTube yet. They don't get the advantages of YouTube. So everybody just wants to just have a camera. Everybody's just being overprotective and I don't even want to say stupid, but sometimes stupid. But anyways, there's a whole lot.
No, I don't really vlog now, so I don't experience that. But mine is lights.
Light is a major issue.
Light.
You know how many times that when I want to film, I have to put on the gen, I have to buy diesel all the time.
So sometimes I even start with lights, and then at the end of the day, I'll take the lights, I will still go back, put fuel, on the gens.
Okay, my first pay from YouTube, I think I mentioned this in that my video, I showed it. It was close to $300, the first money I ever got.
$300.
My first pay, I'm so sorry, noise from every angle. But anyways, my first pay from AdSense was $200 and something. It's that my daily video, it did so well. It was like either 280, 290, close to 300 sharp. And then I think the next month it was still 200. Sometimes it gets to 100 and then come back to 200 or 300. You know how it is now, it fluctuates. But my first sponsored video, I can't even remember what was my first sponsored video. I think I charged like 10K or something ridiculous. Something I can't even collect now.
My first pay was $100.
Yeah, that's a cap now, that's a cap.
Yes. I didn't even make money from YouTube. I didn't know. I was just uploading videos like that, not until I saw people talking about
making money
and monetizing your channel. So that was how I just followed one process like that. I went online and followed the process and
set up. And then it was so easy to set up. You know, now it's so difficult and you have to apply.
No, then it was very, very difficult for me.
No, then it was so easy.
Took me like 6 months.
Are you serious?
Yes, including the bank. I went to the bank to open a dollar account because then I didn't have a dollar account. I only had a naira account.
How long did it take for AdSense to get back to you for monetization?
It took, let's say, a month.
That's not bad. Now people are waiting 6 months, 1 year.
Yeah?
Exactly. Me, my own was even less than a month. That it literally just got back to me. I didn't wait to open my account. I was using my husband's account at first. So the money will get to him, then he will just give me the equivalent in naira. Yeah.
Okay, I've received makeup, but
You don't charge people for.
No, I didn't charge them for the makeup. I just collected it.
Now you don't charge to do hair reviews.
No, why not? How would I charge?
I almost died.
I charge. But then the first one was $100. That was what I collected.
Yeah, I mean when you're starting out, I collected 10K. It was the Nigerian brand. I collected 10K. I think the thing with Nigerian brands is they don't want to spend money, but they want you to help them make money.
Free.
Exactly. And I can't make money for you and not get paid for helping you make money. So that's usually a problem. I've not had a lot of experience with Nigerian brands. A lot of people I work with are not Nigerian brands. So if I'm to say something, it's just you can't expect YouTubers to help you make money and not pay them what they are worth in return. I've like my cousin that does YouTube, one brand was offering her 5,000 naira for a video that the thing she was trying to sell for them, they sell 18K. And they were offering her 5K to make the video. So imagine how ridiculous that sounds.
I have a message for them. They should try and be using the YouTubers, Nigerian YouTubers.
Not celebrities. I will never buy anything because a celebrity said I should buy it. Because I don't trust them. They're just there for
because money. I think they give more reviews than celebrities.
And more honest reviews. Celebrities are paid a lot of money and they just say what you want them to say. They don't care because they don't use that product.
And they don't explain why you should even get the product. And what the product will do for you. They just apply it on them.
I can't even be the one teaching Nigerian brands that if they don't want to learn, it's their business, to be honest. Yeah, my major plan this year, 19 is to grow my channel to at least maybe 50K. I know I'm aiming too high, but it can still happen.
50K is okay now.
Anything can happen. You're like 60 something now, so
I'm planning 100 this year.
Yeah, you can do 100 this year and get the 100 the thing that year.
So we are planning 50K. So you guys should just go and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to put our channel name here on the screen and my channel name.
Tell your friends to
more than 50K this year. We have 6 months to go. Six months.
People make
more than 50K
in a week, in 2 weeks, in a month. So
more than 50K
is doable.
Mine is 100K.
100K. We'll make it happen. Of course, it's my career. I mean, there's no other way to explain. Of course,
YouTube is very stressful.
It's very stressful.
Like, very, very, very stressful.
Look
like
at even this your setup alone itself is stress, and I'm just thinking of all the money you spent for all this.
This is
and this
like
is
half.
all.
No, this is half of it.
Imagine.
I have lights. I have soft boxes and the rest of them. One on my head, the other one by the side. Even on I have another light that like brightens the background. I have so many lights.
And it's not something you do in a career or it's not something you take seriously.
Because it's small, my room is small. I'll have to pack everything back and put it in place and then I start editing.
YouTube to get to the point where I don't need any other job, where I don't need any other side business, where my YouTube income is more than enough, you know? Yeah, I want to get to that point.
There's no way I will not do another thing. I'm
an Igbo girl, I'll most likely always do business.
I always like business.
But still, just getting to that point where, okay, without selling, without doing any other thing you do, you're still fine, you know. It's a good thing. So YouTube is definitely a career.
Job, a big job. It's just once in a while. I just go there. I go to the
salon. I have
girls that work for me. So I just go to the salon and just supervise. And then sometimes if I want to video or do anything or film, do anything, I'll just do sharply and go back home straight up to edit. So YouTube is a career.
I have a vlog that I'm supposed to put out on Saturday morning next tomorrow, and I've not even started editing.
I think vlogging is more easier to edit.
It's easier, but still stress.
Vlogging is more easier.
Yes.
Several times.
Not really several times. Just once.
Uncountable times.
Just once. And I just took down the video. Yeah.
I always like music in my videos, so and I like good music. So I always try to get one Nigerian song or the other.
Mistake, big mistake.
Yeah.
The song that I took down for copyright, or they didn't even tell me to take it down, just that all the money is going to the person. I cannot suffer myself and the money will go to you. I just took down the video.
Same, I just, for me, I didn't have anybody to tell me about YouTube, how to start up and all. Nobody to even ask questions. Sometimes I even ask some people questions and they will snub also. So I always go online to ask questions. So I didn't know that once they copyright your video, the whole money will go
to them.
Yes, or maybe they divide the money. No, I've seen the ones
that they divide the money.
Yeah, they divide the money into two. Some part to the artist or the DJ, because sometimes I even use DJ songs. Sometimes to the DJ, and then half to me. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first time I'm doing this.
This is our first sit down video.
It's our first time. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe here and also subscribe.
Please come and subscribe to my channel.
On her channel too. Her name is Nelo Okeke. I'm going to leave it here on the screen.
And in the description box. Well, I'm going to film something for my channel now. So make sure to head over there to watch as well.
Yeah. This video, big thumbs up.
Subscribe, like, comment. I mean, I'm sure by this time they already know what we want.
Not everybody, some people
not everybody share, but that's why we're reminding you.
Okay, so yeah, we'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.